Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm going to be doing a fill on this colored acrylic set today. Don't forget that all of my colors can be found on ctones.com, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. I'm of course going to speed through the prep process as always, but I'm going to be removing the shiny coat and a lot of the colored acrylic from the previous set, and then I'll be removing her cuticles using the cuticle bit and applying primer, and then starting with the colored acrylic. I'm not going to do a clear coat between the natural nail and the colored acrylic today because I'm actually going to be using the pink from her last set and incorporating it into the new set. So I'm going to be doing somewhat of a marble technique. I'm going to be dipping my brush in 2 or 3 different colors. Oh, well, actually not 3 different colors, guys. I'm going to be dipping my brush in the blue, and then a little bit of the purple, and then a little bit of the clear. Clear's not really a color, but yeah, you guys get the point. So after I apply the marble design, and there's no specific way that I'm going to accomplish this, I'm just going to be slapping it on there and letting the brush do its thing. And once the marble design is completed, I'm going to encapsulate it in our brand new clear. We have a brand new clear on ctones.com. It is called See-Through Clear. So shout out to my audience that helped me name that. I appreciate you, and I hope that you guys get the chance to try out this awesome brand new clear that we have. It's perfect for encapsulating, so I'm happy to be using it and showing you guys how I use it in this video. Alrighty, so once my acrylic is finished drying, I'm going to start on the shaping process. And unfortunately, I didn't get on video the shaping process with my extra coarse sanding bands and my 80 grit hand file, but those items can be found on my Amazon store, and the link is located in the description of this video. Once I'm finished shaping and e-filing and blending, I'm going to be blending in her cuticle area using my comb bit. And once that's finished, I'm going to be applying her gel top coat and a little bit of foil gel to start on her foil designs. Once the foil gel is cured, I'm going to be applying a floral foil from California Boutique. You want to make sure that you are rubbing that entire image off to the other side, patting it down, rubbing it as best as you can so that you can apply the entire foil like so. And then you want to top coat it twice and cure. So I'm going to be using my very sharp e-file bit to pierce the nail today. And once I pierce through the nail completely on both sides, I'm going to apply the little rings and use my tweezers and my clamps to shut them. What I did not get on video is me gluing them shut. You can add a small drop of glue, resin, or even clear acrylic to shut those so that they don't catch in your client's hair or on their clothes. So I'm going to moisturize with Melanin Cosmetics body butters, and here is the finished result. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. Make sure you check out our nail supply on ctones.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. God bless.